Hey everyone, in this session let us understand the concept of dot operator, the dot symbol, and the way it works is it matches any single character. It matches any single character. For example, inside a pattern, if you use a dot something like this, A, B, C and then a dot, then it means that ABC will be there in the string. It's a static part, but after that it can be any single character. It can be any single letter from A to Z, small a to Z, capital A to Z, or 0 to 9, any number or any special character that you can see. So dot can fill up any one single character. So for example, if I take a string something like this, str1 is equal to A, B, C and say 9, then this will be a match for this pattern. So dot can fill up any single character. As simple as that. Now, you might have used dot. Let us create another pattern. Let's say pattern 1 with asterisk. Something like this, ABC dot and asterisk. You might have used it several number of times, and whenever we use a dot star, dot asterisk, it means after ABC anything can be there. A lot of times in the LAN settings and all we use this thing a lot, and it is when we use it means it can accept anything, any characters, any length of characters. So for example, if you use another string, str2 is equal to ABC, and then after that anything can come, and when you try to match it, let's try to match it with str2 dot matches and pattern 1 actually, and when we run this program we see the pattern matches. So this particular pattern is matching this string. So basically after ABC anything can come, doesn't matter, as long as a string starts with ABC and has these three characters ABC, then doesn't matter what is there after that, it will be accepted. Now this is an interview question. How is this happening? When we combine two classes here, dot character and this asterisk, when we combine these two, how is this happening? This is happening because of the characteristics of this asterisk. What asterisk says? It says that it will repeat the preceding character 0 or any number of times. Who is before asterisk? It's a dot. So dot can be repeated 0 or many number of times. So basically it will be something like this. A dot can be repeated 0, so ABC will also be a match, or dot can be repeated one number of times, so a dot can accept any character, so one character is also fine, or dot can be repeated multiple number of times, and dot says it can accept any single character. So at all these dots you can have any single character. That's how when we use a dot star, the combination of two characters here, it can accept anything, but this is called as a greedy match. When we use a star right away, it's a greedy match. And what is meant by greedy and non-greedy quantifiers is we will see in the next session.